Dito sa loob ng Phil Sports Arena, magiging isa ang boses ng sambayanan. Laban Pilipinas, iisang bandila ang kanilang kinakatawan. Iisang bansa ang kanilang pinaglalaban at isang koponan ang susuportahan ng daan-daang Pilipinang nanonood ng live dito sa loob ng Phil Sports Arena dahil maglalaban ang Philippines at Iran sa kauna-unahang Rubisco Asian Volleyball Confederation Under-23 Women's Championship atin sa inyo ng TV5.
And for today's match.
So yun yung mental preparation ng Iran. From Alyssa Valdez and she puts it down.
2 points in the first set for Alyssa Valdez. And even attacking from the back row is
excellent dig by Team Pilipinas. Morado, Valdez, drop ball, doesn't fall. Pagkakataon naman para sa Iran. Left-handed shot, out of bounds.
only the third unforced error para sa Iran, but that is enough.
Here's Morado. Goes to Valdez. And the afternoon connection. They put the hammer down.
Left, right, from the back. Think. Abigaya.
And Valdez, back-to-back hits from the service line.
Biggest lead for Team Pilipinas. Alyssa Valdez wants us 20. Iran 14.
Oh, elevator! And Ella De Jesus puts it down.
And that's reaction by the crowd inside the field.